Have you ever thought about starting your own organic vegetable garden? Imagine the health benefits, the positive environmental impact, and the sheer joy of growing your own food. Well, you're in the right place to learn how to grow your own organic vegetable garden. First things first, you need to choose the right location. Sunlight and space are key factors in your garden's success. Vegetables crave 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily and need ample space for their roots to spread. Remember, your vegetables need plenty of sunlight and room to thrive. Next up is preparing the soil. For a thriving organic garden, your soil needs to be rich in nutrients. Composting, a natural process that turns kitchen and yard waste into nutrient-packed food for your plants, is a fantastic way to enhance soil quality. Healthy soil equals healthy vegetables. Now it's time to select the vegetables you want to plant. Picking the right crops for your climate and season is key. Beginners, don't be daunted. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables like lettuce or radishes. Choose vegetables that match your climate and your confidence level. Finally, it's time to plant and care for your vegetables. Start by gently placing your seeds or seedlings in the prepared soil, giving each enough space to grow. Regular watering is key, but remember, too much can be just as harmful as too little. Stay vigilant against weeds, removing them promptly to prevent competition for nutrients. Finally, maintain a watchful eye for any pests. With proper care, your vegetables will be ready to harvest in no time. And there you have it, the basics of starting your own organic vegetable garden. We've journeyed through choosing the perfect location, preparing the soil, selecting the right vegetables, and the essentials of planting and caring for them. Remember, the benefits of this endeavor go beyond fresh produce. It's about the satisfaction of nurturing life, the joy of harvest, and the gratification of sustainable living. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!